Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. The Bank of Jamaica says it will no longer exchange the Bermuda dollar at its banking counter starting Monday. The BOJ says the decision was because the bank has been unable to repatriate the Bermuda dollar. The central bank argues that after giving value for the Bermuda dollar at its public banking counter, the bank cannot obtain value in return. Given this development, the BOJ says the only recourse at this time is to cease accepting the Bermuda dollar. The BOJ continues to accept all other currencies for which it publishes a counter rate. A listing of those currencies are available on its website at boj.org.jm. A local company, Redinet, is partnering with an American communications company called Viasat, based in California, to offer internet service. CEO of Redinet, Chris Daring, says the collaboration creates an opportunity for many Jamaican business owners and government officials to use satellite broadband in new ways. Mr. Daring says the company plans to use Viasat's high-speed satellite internet service to offer an economical solution which can be quickly installed and accessed anywhere across the island. He noted that because of its capabilities, Redinet is exploring ways to deliver Viasat satellite internet service to connect multiple Caribbean territories. Viasat has secure networking systems covering military and commercial markets across the world. Celebration Brands has launched its new warehouse distribution project called Logic One. As a central hub for the company's island-wide distribution, Logic One always allows for the implementation of sustainable systems which promote business optimization, large-scale employment, and corporate environmental cooperation. The new headquarters features the construction of a joint warehouse the size of 2 football fields. It allows for the optimization of the flow of vehicular traffic on the compound, facilitating up to 100 trucks at a time. Logic One has also been retrofitted with eco-friendly operation elements such as electronic forklifts and rainwater harvesting. So the markets now. Oil prices fell today after China unveiled retaliatory tariffs against the United States of about $75 billion worth of goods, including crude oil. It's another escalation of protracted trade dispute between the world's 2 largest economies. Oil for delivery in October lost $1.18 to settle at $54.17 a barrel. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.87. The Canadian dollar went for $103.58. Sterling is going for $165.26, while the euro sells for $151.66. The JC index lost 2,724 points today. The junior market index declined by 6 points. Among the winners were Jetcon Corporation, General Accident Insurance Company, iCreate, Epley 7.5% preference shares, and 138 Student Living. On the losing side were Kingston Properties, ISP Financial Services, Blue Power Group, Elite Diagnostic, and Stationery and Office Supplies. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.